Well, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am TW Productions, and today we are going to be doing a shoe unboxing video. That's right. I got a new pair of shoes yesterday. I can't wait to show you guys today what they are. They're good. They're really good. So, yeah. Anyway, let's get into the video. So yesterday, I went to the shoe store and I got myself a pair of new shoes, and I think I'm really going to like these pair. Now, the shoes I got are, drum roll please. Keep doing it. Pair of Hey Dudes. That's right, I got a pair of Hey Dudes. I hear these shoes are really comfortable. They are super relaxing to wear, and you can wear them with just about anything to make yourself feel comfortable, and I can't wait to show you guys. So, we're going to open up the box because we're going to find out which pair I got. I already know what I got, but you don't, because there's much different colors and all that stuff and designs. But we'll get to that in just a minute. All right, it is time. Time to show you the shoes I got. So, I'm going to open up the box, nice and slow. The wraps out. Now, it's the Hey Dude shoes I got. The color are the black and white Hey Dudes. In fact, I tried these on in the store, and these shoes are really comfortable. Like, I love these. I love these things. Here's the other one to go with it. So, got your pair. Now, I'm going to try on the shoes and show you what they look like in my full outfit. I just want to say thank you, Mom, for buying me these shoes. You're not going to regret it. I'm going to wear these all the time. These shoes are super comfortable, and I can't wait to break these in because they're going to be great. All right, that is it for today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a video. And we'll see you in the next video.